Yeah, Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I'm going to show how to use SPSS on analyzing dependent numerical data. So we have a set of data here. So for the first step is we go to transform. We pick compute variables. Okay, here we in the target variable we put different. Okay, and different, and we choose post minus post minus 3, and we click OK. Okay, so if as we can see here, there is new variable which is different, and this is the different. And the next step is to analyze normality of the data. So we go to analyze, we go to descriptive statistic, and we go to explore. So for the explore, we pick different and go to plot and untick stand leaf and tick the normality plot with test. So continue and OK. Okay, so based on the result, we can see the normality test result shows that 0.49, which is more than 0.05. So this data is considered as normal. Okay, next, when we know the data is normal, we go to analyze. We go to compare mean and pair sample t-test, and we pick pre and post and click OK. All right, so based on the result for pair sample t-test, it is stated that P is equal to 0.00, which is less than 0.005. So the result is significant, where we are able to reject null hypothesis. So there are significant difference in pre and post menstrual of daily energy intake in both groups. Okay, so for the next data, we have pre-BMI and post-BMI. So same as last data. First is we go to transform compute variables. The target variable is different. Okay, we go to post minus pre and click OK. Okay, so we have the difference between post and pre BMI. So the next step is analyze normality of the data. So we go to analyze, descriptive statistic, explore. Okay, choose different and plot. Same, untick this and tick normality plot with test. Click continue and OK. Okay, so according to the result, it is shown that the data is not normal. Okay, so after we know the data is not normal, we go to the next step, which is go to analyze, choose non-parametric test, legacy dialog, and go to these two related samples. Okay, which is pre and post, and make sure you tick on the Wilcoxon test and click OK. Okay, right. So based on the result, it shows that P value is 0.000, which is less than 0.005. So we are able to reject null hypothesis. So as a conclusion, there's a significant difference in pre and post of intervention of health education and exercise package. Okay, next for independent numerical data. So we have a set of data here, which is we have subject and BMI. So for the first step is to analyze normality of the data. So for analyze normality of the data, go to the analyze, descriptive statistic, explore. So for BMI, we put to the dependent list, subject, we put to the factor list. And then click plot and tick the normality plot with test. Continue and OK. Okay, right. So from the test of normality, it shows that both athlete and non-athlete has the normal data because it is more than 0.05. So when it has a normal data, we can use independent sample t-test. So go to analyze, compare means, independent sample t-test. So BMI we put to the test variables, subject we put to the grouping variables and tick to the define groups. Put 1 and 2. Continue and OK. Right. So from the result, it shows that P is equal to 0.758, which is more than 0.05. So we need to look for the upper part of the table, which is equal variance assumed. So according to the result, there's a significant difference of BMI between athlete and non-athlete. Okay, next for the second data, we have growth and energy expenditure. So firstly, we need to analyze the normality of the data. So we go to analyze, descriptive statistics, go to explore, and energy, we put to the dependent list and group the factor list, click plot. Make sure you tick the normality plot, continue and OK. All right. So based on the result of test of normality, the data is 0.048, which is less than 0.05. So the data is not normal. So we look at the shrewdness, and the data is 1.161, which is not equal to 0. So the data is not normal. So if the data is not normal, we can't use independent t-test, and we need to use the Mann-Whitney test. So to use Mann-Whitney test, we go to the analyze, go to the non-parametric test, legacy dialog, and pick the two independent samples. So energy, to test variable list and group, grouping variables, and click to the define group, put 1 and 2, continue, and make sure you tick to the Mann-Whitney test type. Okay, right. Okay, so based on the result, the value is 0.002, which is less than 0.005. So there's a significant difference of energy expenditure in lean and obese women.